Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove watermarks from a PDF file in just a few steps. Let's dive right in. First up, if you have Adobe Acrobat Pro DC, here's what you need to do. Open your PDF file with Adobe Acrobat Pro. Go to the Tools menu and select Edit PDF. Look for the watermark option, which is usually found under the More drop-down. Click on Watermark and then Remove. Confirm that you want to remove the watermark and it's done. That's super easy with Adobe Acrobat. But what if you don't have Acrobat Pro? No worries, let's look at another method using a free online tool. Open your browser and go to a free PDF editing website like pdf.io. Choose the Remove Watermark option. Now here you can upload your PDF file. Let the tool process the file. Once it's done, download your watermark free PDF. And there you have it, two simple ways to remove watermarks from your PDF files. Remember, if the PDF is protected by copyright, make sure to have the appropriate rights or permissions to edit or alter the document.